Hello, I faced this issue. I want to create a calendar for 1 month, one particular month by date. This date is some date in October, and I want October calendar. It will look something like this. I will just type it and find pictures. October calendar, yeah, that's it. And find some images just to show you. So I want something like this, but in my spreadsheet. So, but in my way, I want to start it from Monday, and in Friday and Saturday and Sunday will go to the right because these are days off for me, and I want to bring them together to the right. Okay, this is why I made type 2, because this is type 2 for dates when your week starts from Monday. Okay, now I have this date, I have this type. And how would I proceed? I want to calculate number of days, total days in October. How much of them? Let's see. We have October 22, 31 days. Okay, let's do it with a formula. We have this good formula E on months. It's end of months, but number of months is 0, the same month here. So it is a 31st of October 22 or any other year, because number of months in October are the same in each year. Okay, and have this formula day of this date will give me 31, just what I wanted, and this is the number of days. Yeah. Next, I would like to know where it starts. So I want the same year or months, but -1. You can do it with negative numbers too. -1 will be the last day of previous months. If I add +1, I'll get the 1st of October, and I want to know week day of this. We have this good formula, weekday, okay? Weekday of this. And now we have this type, and this type will be 2. You see, weekday is 6. What is 6? Monday, 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and 6 will be after Friday. What goes? Saturday, yeah, Saturday. So if I change type to 1, it will be Sunday, because it will be a week starting. It will be Saturday, yeah, Saturday, yeah, because the week will start from Sunday. Oh, okay. So that's it. I have type 2, I have 6 here, and that's fine. Now this is like weekday 1. Now I want to know which is the number of lines. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines here. So from 1 to 31 here we have 6 lines. What this 6 is? Well, first of all, it starts here. So it not starts from the first cell, it starts from next cell, and I want to add this plus this, and I guess -1, I don't know why, and then divided by 7, because we have 7 days in a row. So we divided by 7, we have 5.1, but I want to round up this, round up this number. So I've got 6 lines. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 lines. It's a number of lines. So now I can create a sequence, but first of all I want to get something like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I will just type it manually. I don't want to calculate all names for now, because it's just extra task for me. I don't need it right now. And I also put all these text to center. I will center it. Let's see, we have this center. Okay, and now I want to make a sequence of 6 lines of 7 days. If it will be a sequence of 6 rows and 7 days, like that, and it will be from 1 to 42. I don't want that. I want a 1 to be somewhere here. So let's go on with this sequence function. Start at -1 multiplies by which was the day, this. Okay, let it be like this. Let's see. And I guess I need to add 1 also, +1. Okay, now I have this Sunday, day 6. Okay, is it correct? Let's check. After Friday, yeah, no, after Friday, it must go after Friday. -1 multiplies by E4. What was E4? E4 was weekday 1. Yeah, it was my first weekday. Maybe +2 will give me the correct. Saturday, Sunday, and it is number, why is it number 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's correct. And day number 31 will go to Monday. Let's check it. Yes, it's to Monday here, but this calendar is not what I wanted. I wanted, let's find some calendar starting from Monday. Maybe we can do that or not. Maybe or not. Okay, I will not do this right now. Maybe this. No, they all start from Sunday, but I want from Monday in my case. But if, by the way, if I change this to 1, it will also start from Sunday and end here, so it will be just like the other calendars here. Okay, and now I want to add lambda here, and this will be just great. Lambda of x and return x, and the variable will be my sequence. Okay, for now. And if x is negative, I don't want to show it. If x less than 0, then just nothing, or x. Yes, and you see, it's not an array, so I need to add something like an array formula or index, because index works the same as array formula. Yes, now it's fine, but it's less or equal than 0. Yeah, and also I want to add another condition. If my x is greater than 31, I want also to give this nothing. Or x, nothing or x. Here, x goes here. Not XOR, because XOR is a function. Yes. Now it looks as I wanted to. So I can bring a line here. I'll pick a color. Let me show you. I'll pick a color. It will be green, or my face breaks everything. I'll hide it. Okay. Here I can pick a color. I want green color, and I want to make bold line to the left, right here. And now I have a design. If I hide grid lines, I see the design which was expected. I just wanted to show that. This will be bold, and now it looks beautiful. And now I can change months. Let's change it to November of this year, and let's see. Let's also check November calendar. November. Okay. This is November. Where it starts from? It starts from Tuesday. Is that November? No, that's not November. Is that January? Yeah, here is November, and it starts from Tuesday. But you may see this line is too long for this for November, but it's not the case. It's not a problem for me, because I wanted only leave October, and my calendar is correct. And remember that if you want to do this, the same thing, but changing to Saturday here, Sunday here, sorry, and Saturday here, and Monday to Friday here, then just make it with type 1. All I have to do is to combine my formula, just to bring all that parts into here, and my formula will be ready to go. So that's it. Thank you, and see you next videos.